Joseph says, so weird. I get the same motivation too. Wish me luck being an ISSO and administrator of a system too. It's crazy the amount of work. Super motivated though. Yeah, man, that's awesome. You're getting great experience, man. All the stuff you're gonna do with implementing security controls, if you're working with the SCAP tools, the SCC tool, the STIG viewer, all that stuff, man, put that on your resume. All that stuff, put that on your resume. Every time you deal with, if you write a policy, if you help write a policy, the whole process is in high demand and there's not a lot of people doing it. It's like you're wielding swords in two hands. It's a superpower. You're gonna learn writing, technical writing. And it's a lot of things I didn't know this. A lot of purely IT people who wanna be locked in a closet and that's all they wanna do is script writing, or they just wanna configure a server or configure a router or stuff. And I know you meet these kind of people, but they don't have the skills to communicate. But you as an ISSO are gonna have to learn those skills. You're gonna have to learn with difficult people. You're gonna have to learn how to communicate with 2 or 3 different tiers of people in your organization, including C-level execs, management, technical people, other cybersecurity people. You're gonna have to work with the customers sometimes. You have to speak 4 or 5 different languages. These other guys locked in a closet don't have to communicate much. You do. So that soft skill, man, is something extremely valuable. And one of these days, you're gonna be looking back and be like, man, Bruce was right, man. This skill is really valuable. I'm telling you, your skills are being sharpened every time you do this job.